My first impressions on tasting this Italian butter pan fried zucchini spaghetti. Oh, the savoriness of the Parmesan cheese in there. Oh, you guys, if this gets popular, it's gonna do away with pasta. I'm sorry if you're Italian, but this is absolutely incredible. It's so good, I might even take my clothes off. Hello, my little paleo nerds. It's me, Beau, coming to you today with the ability to do a gluten-free pasta using little strands of zucchini. Delicious and sweet and crunchy. Here's what you do. You get this little guy. It's called Spiralife. I think that's what it's called. Is that how it's pronounced? So you have one end and then the other end. So this end of the sort of looks like an hourglass, doesn't it? So we're gonna take this little guy, we're gonna smash it in here, and check out how fast this actually creates it. What? And so if you keep consistent pressure, it actually creates really long strands. And it looks just like spaghetti. You can throw this in. Do you hear that sizzling? That's because there's a hot pan right there. And I've got butter right here. And I'm gonna get the butter and I'm gonna throw it in there. Oh, it's gonna sizzle so much. Now I'd actually show you, but you can't actually smell it or anything like that. Now, before the butter burns, I'm actually gonna show you the other end of this guy. So we got some nice little strands and spirals right here. You can create also, check this out. So this would be more so for a garnishment of some kind. And look at how flat this little guy is right there. Isn't that just absolutely beautiful? It's nice and thin. So there you go. You now have the ability to make a spaghetti of some kind using anything. Well, not anything. Let's be reasonable. Let's not get too violent. But get a zucchini and smash it in the weird little hourglass thing and have a fantastic time. Look at that. Isn't that just so easy? And you're getting a bit of a workout in also with your wrist. As a matter of fact, it does it so quickly that I am going to go ahead and do this right in front of you and just finish off the entire zucchini. What? Now, of course, I shouldn't actually, be paying too much attention to you. Not that I'm an attention seeker or anything like that. But if I were to leave my thumb in here, I don't want to get chunks of flesh in with my zucchini, or else that just gets weird. Look at how long that is. Isn't that crazy? Oh, this, my friends, is a life-changing kitchen appliance. I found it on Amazon for about 10, 15 bucks. The link is in the description. And that is all that is left of our little zucchini. Adorable.